Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cutting up this painting by hobbypainter.nl. So it's a Dutch website. It is a nice moody dark rainbow forest type of diamond painting. It is a small diamond painting which has 33 colors. So it's why I'm going to be using my small storage for it. However, this contains 28 colors and the diamond painting in total contains 33 colors. So I am going to be working from a few baggies, which is no big deal. So I'll show you the canvas I'll be working on. First, like I said, a nice rainbow forest. It is 55 by 35. It has a couple in the distance. Contains a lot of browns, reds. It's a rainbow, so it contains basically all colors. I'll wrap this canvas back up and let's get to the kitting up. So what I'll first be doing is I'll be writing down the symbols on the containers I have. What I will be doing is I will be getting my sticker sheet and labeling the containers. So as you can see, it's pretty nicely labeled. It's labeled 1 through 9 and then A through Y, with some letters missing, but that's okay. So it's all alphanumerical, which makes it very easy. So I'm going to be writing the numbers first. 1, 2, 3. So I've labeled 1 through 9 and then A to Y. But I'm also going to be writing the DMC color on it for when I'm kitting down this project. So okay, so I've labeled them all up. I've peeled back all the previous stickers from when I used them. I have it flipped upside down, so they open this way. So I'm going to be stickering this and then I'll be back. My plan is to empty as much as I can in this, and if I can't empty a full bag, like with the 720, I know I can't fit all of them in. I will just tape it back shut, put it in a box, and refill it when I need to. So let's look for the first color, which is 208. Okay. This is nice. This is actually in DMC order, so I can just pair off the first one. Well, actually, I'm going to be cutting off the first one, like so. And let's get started with the first color, which is 208, a very beautiful purple color. I already see a rogue white diamond in it. I think this should fit the full bag in it. Yeah, it does. There are a few drills stuck. It's not static. They were actually like pretty hardcore stuck in it. So next will be 310. There's a lot of 310 in this painting. There are 3 bags of 310. I know I won't even be able to finish off a first one, so I'm going to be cutting off the top, opening up this container. I'll be pouring it very carefully. And like this is a comfortable fullness. I'll be folding this, and I'll be getting my tape, my scotch tape, and I'll be taping it shut. And I'll be putting this one away. Next is 606. beautiful red, cutting it off, pouring it in like so, throwing away and recycling the plastic. So I've kitted up this. The only thing left to do is identify this thing, and for that I'm using a permanent marker. I've used it before on this box and it comes off really easily with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol. It comes off like quite easily, so I'm not too worried. So I'm taking the canvas and it's called Rainbow Street, so that's what I'm writing on. This Rainbow Street. I'm also writing the company with it, so I know which canvas and how to easily identify it. And this is how I kit up my diamonds if they don't have a lot of colors. If they have more colors, I use other storage system like this. Those Tic Tac boxes, they have 64 slots, so that's useful. So with this one, this is also very big planing. It's a 60 by 80, I think. As you can see, there's a lot of colors in this, so I've used this Tic Tac box, not TikTok. TikTok is an app, of course. Tic Tac boxes. But with small color or little colors, I just use these and then a few baggies. I find that is pretty useful. So I will put this away into a box and keep it neatly together, and then I can start working on it pretty soon. So that was my video. I hope you liked watching this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing to my video so you don't miss out on any future videos. But for now, have a nice day. See you. Bye.